Dogs are beloved pets, but sometimes their behaviors can be puzzling or even concerning. Did you know that some odd dog behaviors actually have interesting and surprising meanings behind them? In this video, we'll explore some of the most unusual dog behaviors and shed some light on what they might really mean. Number 1. Why do dogs expose their belly? Dogs expose their bellies when they feel relaxed, comfortable, and trusting of their environment and those around them. It's a vulnerable position, so dogs will only do this when they feel safe. It's also a way for dogs to cool down and regulate their body temperature. In dog packs, submissive dogs expose their bellies to higher-ranking dogs as a sign of deference and submission, helping to maintain social harmony. It's important to respect your dog's boundaries and avoid forcing them into uncomfortable positions, as not all dogs feel comfortable exposing their bellies, even if they're relaxed and trusting. Number 2. Why do dogs circle before pooping? Have you ever noticed that your dog circles around before they poop? It's actually a pretty common behavior among dogs, and there are a few reasons why they do it. One reason is that dogs are looking for the perfect spot to do their business. They might sniff around and turn in circles until they find a spot that meets their criteria. Maybe it's private, has a good texture for digging, and doesn't have any unpleasant odors. Another possible explanation is that dogs are aligning themselves with the Earth's magnetic field before they poop. A recent study has suggested that dogs have an instinctual way of orienting themselves to their surroundings, and this could make them feel more secure while they're in a vulnerable position. Dogs may also circle as a way of marking their territory. When they defecate in a specific spot, they leave behind their scent, which communicates to other dogs that the area belongs to them. By circling before they poop, dogs could be making sure that their scent is evenly distributed in the area. Lastly, circling could be a way for dogs to prepare their bodies for elimination. The circling motion helps to stimulate their digestive system and relax their muscles, which can make it easier for them to poop. Number 3. Why do dogs display aggressive behaviors on leash? Sometimes dogs can get aggressive when they're on a leash, and there are a few reasons why this might happen. Maybe they're feeling scared or anxious, or they haven't been properly socialized. Perhaps they're trying to protect their owner or territory, or they're just feeling frustrated and wound up. In some cases, there might be an underlying medical issue that's causing them to act out. If your dog is acting aggressively on a leash, it's important to figure out why and address the issue as soon as possible. You can work with a professional trainer or behaviorist to help your dog learn how to feel more comfortable and confident, and establish some clear boundaries and expectations. It's also important to make sure that your dog is getting enough exercise, mental stimulation, and socialization to prevent them from getting too wound up or bored. Number 4. Why do dogs sleep with open eyes? Dogs sleeping with their eyes open is a behavior that can seem strange or even eerie to humans, but it's actually quite common and normal for dogs. One possible explanation is that it's a survival mechanism. In the wild, dogs need to be alert to potential predators even when they're sleeping, and sleeping with their eyes open allows them to keep an eye out for danger while still getting some rest. Another reason could be related to the anatomy of a dog's eye. Dogs have a third eyelid, called the nictitating membrane, which is a translucent membrane that covers the eye and helps to keep it moist. This membrane can remain partially open while the dog is sleeping, giving the appearance of open eyes. Additionally, some dogs may sleep with their eyes open due to certain medical conditions, such as neurological disorders or muscle weakness. In these cases, the dog may not have full control over their eyelids and may appear to be sleeping with their eyes open even when they're not. Number 5. Why do dogs pant? Panting is a common behavior in dogs, and there are a few reasons why they do it. First of all, panting is a way for dogs to regulate their body temperature. Unlike humans, dogs don't have sweat glands all over their bodies. Instead, they release heat by panting. When a dog pants, they're able to take in cool air and release warm air, which helps to bring down their body temperature. Another reason why dogs pant is as a response to stress or anxiety. When a dog is feeling stressed, their body releases adrenaline, which can cause them to pant. This is a way for the dog to increase their oxygen intake and prepare their body for the fight or flight response. Dogs may also pant when they're in pain or discomfort. Panting can be a sign of pain, and it's important to watch for other signs of distress such as whimpering or licking a specific area. Lastly, panting can be a way for dogs to communicate with their owners. If a dog is panting and looking at their owner, it could be a way of asking for attention or expressing a need such as being let outside or getting a drink of water. Number 6. Why do dogs lick each other's private parts? Dogs licking each other's private parts is a common behavior, and it can be confusing or even uncomfortable for humans to witness. However, there are a few reasons why dogs engage in this behavior. One possible explanation is that it's a form of social bonding. Dogs use their sense of smell to get to know each other, and licking is a way to reinforce their bond. When dogs lick each other's private parts, they're able to smell each other's unique scent, which can help to strengthen their relationship. Another possible reason is that it's a way for dogs to express submission. Dogs have a hierarchy within their social groups, and licking each other's private parts can be a way of showing respect or deference to a more dominant dog. Licking can also be a way for dogs to explore and clean their own bodies and the bodies of other dogs. Dogs don't have hands, so they use their tongues to groom themselves and others. Licking can help to remove dirt, debris, and other substances from the skin and fur. Number 7. Why do dogs smell people's crotches? Dogs smell people's crotches as a way to gather information about the person they're sniffing. They have a keen sense of smell and can detect various scents that humans may not be able to perceive. By sniffing a person's crotch, a dog can learn their gender, age, health status, and emotional state. Dogs also have a natural instinct to establish relationships within their pack, and they may be trying to learn more about a person's role in their pack by sniffing them. Additionally, dogs may simply find the scent interesting or appealing. While it can be uncomfortable for humans, it's important to remember that this behavior is natural and instinctual for dogs. However, it's still important to teach your dog appropriate social behaviors and discourage behaviors that make people uncomfortable. Number 8. Why do dogs follow you everywhere? Dogs are known for their loyal and affectionate nature, and one of the ways they show their love and devotion is by following their owners everywhere. But why do dogs do this? Firstly, dogs are pack animals, and in their natural environment, they would stick close to their pack leader. In a domestic setting, the owner becomes the pack leader, and so the dog will naturally want to follow them around. Dogs also have a strong desire to be near their family and can become anxious or distressed when separated from them, which can lead to following behavior. Additionally, dogs are social animals that crave attention and interaction with their owners. By following you around, they're seeking your attention and companionship. Dogs are also creatures of habit and routine, and following their owners around can become a part of their daily routine and a way to maintain a sense of structure and security. Lastly, dogs may also follow their owners around if they're seeking food, water, or other resources. This behavior can be particularly common in breeds that were traditionally used for hunting or herding. Number 9. Why do dogs take your spot? Have you ever gotten up from your seat, only to find your furry friend has taken your spot? It can be a bit frustrating, but rest assured, there are several reasons why dogs do this. One reason is simply because dogs are creatures of habit and enjoy familiar surroundings. If they find a comfortable spot, they may want to stay there even if it's your spot. It's like how we humans have our favorite spots in the house, right? Another reason is that dogs are territorial animals, and they may view your spot as a prime location in the house. By taking your spot, they're asserting their dominance. They want to show you that they're in charge. Dogs may also take your spot as a sign of affection. They want to be close to you and feel your warmth and presence. If your dog suffers from anxiety, they may feel more secure and calm by taking your spot. Being close to you and surrounded by familiar scents can help soothe their anxiety. Lastly, dogs are social animals and thrive on attention from their owners. By taking your spot, they may be seeking attention from you. They want to be close to you and interact with you as much as possible. So, the next time your dog takes your spot, don't worry too much about it. It's generally harmless behavior and can be a sign of affection or just a desire for comfort. Just remember to show your dog affection and make them feel comfortable in their own space too. Number 10. Why do dogs eat snow? Dogs eat snow for a variety of reasons. It can be a source of hydration, a fun activity, a way to cool down, or just out of curiosity. However, it's important to monitor your dog's snow consumption and make sure they don't eat too much. Overconsumption of snow can lead to digestive issues, and it's best to supervise your dog and avoid letting them eat large amounts. Additionally, snow can sometimes contain harmful substances, so it's important to be cautious. And there you have it. I hope you found this information on unusual dog behaviors and their surprising meanings informative and interesting. If you enjoyed this topic, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to support us and stay updated on future content. Thanks for watching.